So before I went vegan, I used to love strawberry crepes. Let me show you guys how to make my version of vegan strawberry crepes.
In a blender, we're going to go ahead and add the flour, water, plant milk. We're going to add the vegan butter, salt, vanilla extract, the applesauce, and the dairy-free yogurt, and just give that a nice blend until it's nice and runny. The consistency should not be too thick. Keep that in mind. Go ahead and heat a frying pan or a griddle and add some oil in, and then go ahead and add in your batter. You're basically just going to make like a thin pancake to make sure it's nice and brown, and just let it cook about a minute or two on each side to give it a nice brown texture. Once that's done, go ahead and set it aside. So I went ahead and pre-sliced the strawberries ahead of time, and now we're going to go ahead and assemble our crepes. This is the fun part. You're basically just going to lay them flat down, and I'm going ahead and adding some homemade fig jam. This is just completely optional. You can add any other jam that you have with you, and then I'm going to go ahead and place the sliced strawberries one at a time, and then you're just going to roll that and do one at a time and roll each one. And then I just garnished it with some dairy-free whipped cream. I'm using the coconut cream. You can use whatever cream that you like of your choice.
Oh my god, these look so delicious. Definitely a winner.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys like this video. If you did like it, then don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more recipes, and I will see you guys next time.